Children, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn some problems. Filling the following blanks. Now 7 by 9 is equal to blanks divided by 3. Therefore 7 by 9 is equal to, we put instead of blank equal to x by 3. Therefore 7 multiplied by 3 divided by 9 is equal to x. Therefore 3 3s are 9. X is equal to 7 by 3. This is our answer. Now 6 by 15 is equal to 2 divided by blank. Therefore 6 by 15 is equal to 2 by x. Therefore x is equal to 2 multiplied by 15 divided by 6. Therefore 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15. X is equal to 5 by 1. Therefore x is equal to 5. Second term we put 5. Now children, we learn which ratio is larger, 5:4 or 9:7. Now 5:4 is equal to 5 by 4 and 9:7 is equal to 9 by 7. Now for comparing the two terms, we find the LCM of the denominator. Therefore LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. Therefore 5 by 4 is equal to 5 divided by 4 into 7. 5 into 7 is equal to 35 by 28. And 9 by 7 is equal to 9 divided by 7 multiplied by 4. 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36 by 28. Now denominator is same. Therefore we comparing the numerator. Therefore 36 by 28 is greater than 35 by 28. Therefore 9 by 7 is greater than 5 by 4 is our answer. Thank you children for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.